Hello, my YouTube subscribers. I recently made an addition to my cook kit. I had noticed my hiking buddy, Mike P. Hiker, had been using a titanium pot that had a ceramic coating. He looked hard and a long time and finally found a company that did make a titanium pot that had a ceramic coating. He seemed happy with it, so I thought maybe I'd make that in addition to my cook kit, because I've been reluctant to cook pastas and side dishes in my pot because the cleanup seemed to be too difficult. Who wants to scrape the bottom of a pot and stuff after hiking all day and getting to your campsite? You know, it's just something I didn't want to do. So I was very reluctant to cook side dishes like mac and cheese or any pasta like that. So I thought I'd give this titanium pot a try. So I ordered one, and here's the way it looks. It's made by a company called Evernew, and I never could figure out what it was. It's got a .9, I guess that's an L or an E for liters, .9 liters, and down here it said 1 quart, and then in parentheses gallon. I have no idea. Then I see the word slick. Somewhere in translation, I guess they was looking up something that, and that's what it comped out to be, slick. But it says it's non-stick ceramic coating, and there at the very bottom it says never, what it says, no empty cooking ever. Let's open it up. Now, it did come with a little caution in here about not overheating it and stuff like that. Empty cooking, never. Avoid empty cooking. Did come with that. And it comes with a nice little stuff sack. This company called Evernew, but let's get it out. Now, this is it here. It says right here, titanium, Evernew. Has silicone handles, has a little silicone top on it, and it's quite nice to cover, but it is very thin. Now, I did notice on the sides, well, it had a little drip spout right here. If you can notice it, it does indent a little bit so you can pull out. But on this side, it has, well, I have to read it from the inside. It has 300 and 600. That's all I know. It says 300, 600. Now, Mike seemed to think that it was milliliters. This is he says it's a 900 milliliter pot. I don't know. So anyway, I decided to try to use it, and I'm gonna insert now my first try with this. And it, of course, it didn't live up to my expectations, but let me show you what happened on when I first tried to use it the first time.
Let me see. Don't press it on there. You boil some water. Did you do it?
I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah. Again? You boiled all that hot water?
Well, I didn't. I've got it warm. I didn't boil it. Very disappointing.
You mean the coating will come up?
I guess, because it's sure.
When you heat it up too much, you know. Let me see. No, it's just dirty.
I was somewhat disappointed in the operation of it. So I decided I would, in the morning, I would get up and fry my eggs in this pot. I was fully expecting it to slide right out, just like you see on TV, these frying pans my wife has been buying over the years. And you fry an egg, and sure enough, you just turn it, it slide right out. So I didn't expect it to be that good. But I got a barrel full of frying pans that's been bought over the years that work just like they show on TV for about 3 or 4 times. After that, they end up burning just like any other frying pan. But I'll show you that little episode. I decided not to do it at the campsite because I didn't trust this pot yet. And like I say, it could have been the stove, the new stove I was using, the Soto Windmaster. I couldn't seem to get it adjusted right. It seemed too hot for this pot. But nevertheless, if it's that touchy, it's just not good for me if it's that touchy. But I'm going to show you what happened at home when I tried to fry an egg and get it to slip out of this pan. You know, like I said, it could have been operator error. It could have been the stove was too hot or the pot was too thin. But all those things don't matter. If it's that complicated, I'm not going to give this a 5-star rating. I'm going to give it a 2-star rating. For me, anyway. Mike seems to like it. He boils his soup and rice and bean sprouts. He don't have a problem with it. But for cooking sides and pastas, I'm not going to recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you hadn't already.